Hello students, this video is presented to you by Gaurav Malik. In this video, we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns can be classified as countable or uncountable. Countable nouns can be counted. Here are some examples of countable nouns like apple. Here you can see that apple can be counted. Dog, cat, country, man, pen, bus, and car. You can see that all these given nouns can be counted. So, these nouns are called countable nouns. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Here are some examples of uncountable nouns like bread, rice, coffee, information, money, advice, luggage, and furniture. You can see that all the given nouns cannot be counted, so they are called uncountable nouns. Most of the nouns in English language falls in category of countable nouns. That means we can count majority of the nouns in English language. We can put a number before these nouns. Let us know this with the help of examples like table, pen, window, chair, lamp, or car. These are some nouns given here. We can put a number before these nouns like 3, 1, 2, 7, 8, or any other number. In this way, we know that these nouns can be counted. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. So, let us know what is singular and plural nouns. A singular noun names one person, place, thing, or idea, while a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing, or idea. Let us see this with the help of examples. One chair. So here one thing is referred to, so it is singular. Three chairs. Here three things are referred to, that means more than one thing is referred here, so it is plural. One table, it is singular. Two tables, it is plural. One car, it is singular. Five cars, it is plural. So let us see this with more examples. There is one table in the room. So table is singular here. There is one fan in the drawing room. So fan is singular here. There are four chairs in the room. Here, chairs is plural as it refers to more than one item. Most singular nouns form the plural by adding s at the end of the word. So let us see this with examples. Boat. The plural of boat is boats. House, houses. Cat, cats. River, rivers. So here we can see that we form the plural by adding s to the singular form or singular noun. A singular noun ending in S, X, Z, CH, SH makes the plural by adding ES at the end of the word. Let us know this with examples. Bus. Here, the plural of bus is buses. Wish, wishes. Pitch, pitches. Box, boxes. Here we can see that by adding es to the singular form, we form the plural forms. A singular noun ending in a consonant and then y makes the plural by dropping the y and adding ies at the end of the word. Let us know this with examples. Penny. The plural of penny is pennies. Spy, spies. Baby, babies. City, cities. Daisy, daisies. Here we can see that the word penny is ending with n consonant and then y is followed by it. So here we dropped y and added ies to form the plural. There are some irregular noun plurals. So let us see them. Man becomes men. Goose becomes geese. Leaf becomes leaves. Mouse becomes mice. Half becomes halves. Fungus becomes fungi. Analysis becomes analysis. Thesis becomes thesis. Child becomes children. Phenomenon becomes phenomena. Some nouns have the same form in the singular and the plural. That means they do not change their form while used as plurals. So let us see them. Sheep, fish, deer, species, aircraft. We use singular verb with singular countable noun and plural verb with plural countable noun. Let us see this with the help of examples. For example, Ram is a hard-working boy. Here, Ram is a singular countable noun, so we will use is, that is singular verb with it. Another example, boys are going to the market. Here, boys is plural countable noun, so we will use are, that means plural verb with it. We cannot use are with Ram and is with boys. Uncountable nouns are used with a singular verb. They usually do not have a plural form, so no plural verb is used with uncountable nouns. Here are some examples of uncountable nouns like tea, sugar, water, air, rice, knowledge, beauty, anger, fear, love, money, research, safety, evidence. So let us see it with more examples. Like gravity is an important force. Here, gravity is uncountable noun, so we will use singular verb with it. In the same manner, this information is useless. Here, information is uncountable noun, so is, that is singular verb, will be used with it. In the same manner, the news is not good. Mathematics is a very important subject. Here you can see all the blue colored words are uncountable nouns, so only singular verb will be used with them. Some nouns seems to have plural form, but they are uncountable and take a singular verb. Let us see them. For example, news. The news is at 6:30 p.m. Here, news is uncountable noun and takes singular verb. In the same manner, athletics. Athletics is good for young people. Linguistics. Linguistics is the study of language. Darts. Darts is a popular game in England. Billiards. Billiards is played all over the world. Here you can see all the words in green color are uncountable nouns and take singular verb. For positive sentences, we can use a or an for singular nouns or some for plurals. Like, I have a car. In this positive sentence, car is singular, so we used a with it. In the same manner, there is an elephant in front of my house. Here, elephant is singular noun, so we used an with it. I have some friends in Delhi. Here, friends is plural countable noun, so we used some with it. For negative sentences, we can use a or an for singular nouns or any for plurals. Like, I don't have a dog. Here it is a negative sentence and dog is singular countable noun. So we used a with it. There aren't any seats. Here it is a negative sentence and seats is plural here. So we used any. We use a measure word to quantify uncountable nouns. That means to make uncountable nouns countable, we add a counting word such as a unit of measurement. This counting word is known as measure word. For example, a bag of flour, rice or gold dust. Here, flour, rice and gold dust are uncountable nouns and bag is a measure word. In the same manner, a bar of chocolate, gold or soap, a bottle of coke, milk, water or wine, a bowl of cereal, rice or soup, a box of cereal or paper, a can of cream, meat or tuna, a carton of ice cream, orange juice or milk, a cup of hot chocolate, coffee or tea, a drop of blood, oil or water, a glass of beer, juice, water or wine. In the same manner, a grain of rice, sand, or truth. An item of clothing, expenditure, or news. A jar of honey, jam, or peanut butter. A piece of advice, furniture, or paper. A roll of paper, tape, or toilet paper. A slice of bread, cheese, meat, or toast. A spoonful of sugar or syrup. A tablespoon of butter, honey, or ketchup. A teaspoon of cinnamon, medicine, or salt. A tube of glue, lipstick, or toothpaste. Some nouns can be countable or uncountable depending on the context or situation. For example, we will have two coffees. Here, coffees is countable as it symbolizes two cups of coffees and that is countable. Another example, I don't like coffee. Here, coffee is uncountable. The indefinite article is not used with uncountable nouns. That means a or an cannot be used with uncountable nouns. Instead, the definite article the can be used with uncountable nouns when referring to specific items. For example, I found the luggage that I had lost. Here, we are pointing towards the specific luggage that I lost, so we will use the definite article. Another example, I appreciated the honesty of the salesman. The noun fruit is usually considered as an uncountable noun. For example, fruit is good for your health. When referring to a single piece of fruit, you would say she has only a piece of fruit for lunch. That means we will use piece as measure word. However, when referring to different kind of fruit, you may use fruit as a countable noun. For example, I love to shop at the supermarket. They have a wide variety of tropical fruits. Here, fruits is a countable noun as it is referring to different kinds of fruits. There are some quantifiers that can be used with only countable nouns. For example, many, few, a few, fewer, and several. We cannot use these quantifiers with uncountable nouns. Let us take examples. Fewer tourists visited that area as it was known to be unsafe. Here, tourists is countable noun. The citizens came to the meeting with many suggestions on how to improve their neighborhood. Here, suggestions is countable noun. Some other quantifiers can be used with only uncountable nouns such as much, little, less, and least. Let us take examples. Would you like some tea? Here, tea is uncountable noun. Another example, there's very little desert left. Here, desert is uncountable noun. Some quantifiers may be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. These are all, some, any, lots of, plenty of, and enough. Let us take examples. He has enough courage to face the bullies. We have some plates for the party tonight. Tracy will bring more. Here, courage is uncountable noun and plates is countable noun. Nouns such as luggage, furniture, and jewelry are uncountable nouns and take singular verbs. For example, the furniture in the house needs to be replaced. My luggage has been checked in. Abstract nouns are mostly uncountable. For example, bravery, beauty, and laziness. So, they always take singular verb. The phrase how many is used with countable nouns. For example, how many players are there in a cricket team? Here you can see how many is followed by plural countable noun and it is followed by plural verb. The phrase how much is used with uncountable nouns. For example, how much sugar would you like? Here, how much is followed by uncountable noun. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos.